Hello and welcome to today's training session. We hope that you were able to implement some of the learnings you gained from last week's session. And today we hope that you're excited to get to learn more about Instagram. So let's get started. So first we want to talk about how to post on Instagram, how to post your status, how to post on your story, as well as how to go live on Instagram. So the first one will be how to post your status. So what you want to do is go on the plus sign that's inside the square. So click on that. Then this will redirect you to your gallery. So here you get to choose whichever image it is that you feel you want to share. So once you do that, you are also able to crop the image depending on how you want. So for example, this just needed minimal cropping. Then once I'm done, I just click on that arrow. Here you get to select whatever filter it is you want to use. So this works really well if you're posting like an image of you and a client or an image of like people. Yeah, it works really well. However, also if you don't want to select a filter, you could just go on to next. So click that arrow. So here you now put in your caption. If you don't really remember what your image is about, or you want to just take a look at it again, you can just click on the tiny image and then it'll bring up the entire thing. So this one is talking about selling. So we now, on our caption, we talk about, basically we now expound on selling and whatever it is that you want to expound on. Once you're done, you could also add like a few hashtags because Instagram is hashtag reliant, in that hashtags make your content more seen by more people. Yeah, so for example, hashtag selling, hashtag SME. Yeah. Additionally, you can tag people in the posts that you're making. So you just come to the tag people tab and then just click anywhere on the image. Then this will now create like a search function where you're able to search for the user you want to tag. So for example, we're going to tag ourselves. Yeah, and if we want to tag more people, we could even tag the sandbox. Yeah. So once you've tagged everyone you want to tag, just click on the tick and you're good to go. Also, you could add your location. So all you have to do is come here, turn on your location services. And once you do that, you could select wherever it is you are. So for example, we're going to choose Kitale. So for example, you're going to go with Charangani, Kitale. Yeah, and that's where the location is. Yeah, once you do that, all you have to do is again click on the tick and your post is going up. Then once it's been posted, it will be the very first one. As you can see, it has a location. And then when you tap on the image itself, you can see the people who have been tagged. Yeah, so that's how to share your status on Instagram. The second thing is how to share a story. So there are a few ways of going about this. So the first one is, just below your post, there is a sideways arrow. So you could click on that and then it'll add whatever post it is to your story. So stories also get a lot of traffic. And the good thing about stories is they only last for 24 hours and then Instagram deletes them. Yeah, so if you want this to be your story, yeah, you just click on that, select to go on your story. Then you could also add something like new post, just to get people to view the post in its entirety. Yeah, let's say new post alert. Yeah, to get people to view it. And then once you're comfortable with that, you share on your stories. And as you can see on the Archer Digital tab, there's a colorful circle that shows that you have stories. So when you click on that, you're going to be able to see the story we've just posted. The second way you could post your story is by sliding your screen to the right. So just like that. Yeah, it brings up the different ways that you could post. So you could have it as a status, you could have it as a story, you could have it as a reel, and a reel is just a reel is between 15 to 30 seconds. Yes, and then alternatively, you could also go live. Yeah, so if you want to go live, all you do is turn the camera to yourself, and then once you're ready, you just click on the colorful speaker icon and you're on live. Yeah, so we were doing stories. Yeah, so for stories you could create, which is it just has a plain background, and then you just write whatever it is you want to share. So let's say great day to have a great day. You could even add emojis. Yeah, so this also lets you select like the different fonts you want. If you want a background, you click on the A with the tiny stars. Yeah, if you want it to come out as a presentation, you click the one with the tiny lines. Yeah, then it will read like a newscast. Yeah, and once you're comfortable with your story, all you have to do is hit stories. Yeah, and then it'll upload itself as a story. Then again, the circle with the different colors just shows you that you've posted stories, and thus anyone can be able to watch your stories. Yeah, and that is how you post a story. The third thing is how to create a live on Instagram. So again, you could either slide your screen to the right or click on the plus sign. So let's use a plus sign. And then once you're ready, go to the very last thing, which is live. You could also have like different filters if you want. Yeah, then turn the camera to yourself once you're ready. Yeah, and then you're going to go live.